Now we're at the end of this course, and after looking at how we do SEO for Google and how we do SEO writing for Amazon, तो अब हम देखेंगे कि एक इफ़ेक्टिव SEO स्ट्रैटेजी हम किस तरह से बना सकते हैं. चाहे आप Google के लिए लिख रहे हो या Amazon के लिए, what are the steps that you can take to ensure that your SEO strategy that you are building is effective for the search engine that you are writing for. So this is an SEO strategy checklist that you can use whether you're writing for Google or for Amazon. The very first step that you do when starting your SEO process is to create a list of keywords. आप keyword research करने के बाद एक list compile करेंगे of all the keywords, and इस list में आप ये भी identify करेंगे कि कौन से keywords किस type of keyword में fall करते हैं, किस category के keywords हैं, and keeping in mind all of our lectures about keywords and about keyword research, आप अपने keywords को categorize करेंगे according to their types and their uses. The second step is to analyze the first page of Google or of Amazon. After you compile your keywords and जब आपने SEO writing की तरफ move करना है, तो चाहे आप Google के लिए लिख रहे हो या आप Amazon के लिए लिख रहे हो, you should make it a point to see कि आपके कीवर्ड से रेलिवेंट दूसरे वेब पेजेस या अगर आप अमेजोन पे हैं तो दूसरे सेलर्स किस तरह का कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. सो द वे टू डू दिस इज कि आप अपना मेन कीवर्ड या आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट है या आपका जो भी टॉपिक है या नीश है उसको एंटर करेंगे इन द रेलिवेंट सर्च इंजन, बी इट गूगल और अमेजोन, एंड उसके फर्स्ट पेज पे जो भी सर्च रिजल्ट्स आ रहे होंगे, दोज आर योर टॉप कंपेटिटर्स एंड दोज आर द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स दैट यू कैन यूज to produce your own content. So look at what all of these top sellers or top ranked websites are doing for their content, and then keeping that in mind आप वहाँ से ideas लेंगे and उसको incorporate करेंगे within your content. This will make sure कि your SEO strategy is also so effective कि it gets you in the higher ranks of either Google or Amazon very quickly, because it will show you what other people have been following to get to the top. तो अगर आप भी वही चीज़ें इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे इन योर कंटेंट, तो दैट विल इंश्योर कि यू ऑल्सो गेट योर कंटेंट रैंक्ड हायर. Another very important part of your SEO strategy should be to create different and better high quality content. Content creation तो हर वेबसाइट और हर ब्रांड कर रहा होगा, but how does your content stand out? Your content can stand out in two ways. It can either be different than existing content or it can be better than existing content. So if you're writing different content, that will really help your content stand out. And different content लिखने के लिए आप फिर से analyze करेंगे the first page of Google और Amazon, and आप देखेंगे कि top 10 जो search results आते हैं उन्होंने किस तरह का content लिखा हुआ है, and if you notice any similar pattern and you want your content to stand out from it, so you can explore different ways of producing that same content in different methods. So for example, अगर आप SEO strategies के बारे में सर्च कर रहे हैं on Google and you see कि जो top 10 search results हैं, all of those are list form articles. So let's say कि top 10 search results में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इस तरह के articles मिल रहे हैं which go like top 9 strategies to do this or 9 best ways to do SEO for your website. इस तरह के ज़्यादा अगर आर्टिकल्स आपको मिल रहे हैं, तो यू कैन टेल कि इस नीश में इस तरह के आर्टिकल्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गए हैं एंड द टॉप 10 सर्च रिजल्ट्स आर क्लटर्ड विद सच कंटेंट. सो इफ़ योर एम इज़ टू क्रिएट different content, so you can go with an entirely different strategy to present the same kind of content. So maybe you can go with an ultimate guide to SEO optimization. इस तरह से you are standing out because you are not writing another list based article. And अगर आपका content stand out करता है तो it increases your chances of getting more shares as well, because your online readers are always looking for something new. तो अगर उनके सामने कुछ नया और यूनिक आता है तो that will get you more recognition and more following for your content, and it will hence get you more traffic as well. On the other hand, another way to produce high quality content is to write better than what is already being produced in this niche. So for example, अगर आप देखते हैं कि SEO optimization के टॉपिक पे मोस्टली जो आर्टिकल्स हैं दे आर गिविंग द रीडर्स 5 to 6 tips for optimization. So the way that you can make your content better is to maybe give them more tips. So you can go with 20 best tips for SEO optimization. That will also set your content apart from your competitors. So you can work with already existing content and just focus on improving that content and making sure कि जो आप content लिख रहे हैं वो existing content से better हो, तो that can get you a higher ranking on Google as well. And similarly if you're writing content for Amazon, तो उसमें भी आपका process similar होगा because you will look at other product listings for similar products and you'll see कि उन्होंने किस तरह के features highlight किए हुए हैं, and you can either create better content in your product listing, you can highlight more features, you can tell your customers कि आपके product में क्या better features हैं that give you a competitive advantage, or you can go for an entirely different type of product listing which highlights different benefits that your customers have not seen before for your kind of product. इसके बाद for whatever content that you are writing, you should include your hook, and the way to create a very enticing and captivating hook is to focus on the why. So why is your audience interested in your content or in your product? इसमें भी आप social listening करेंगे because you will want to see कि आपकी niche में mostly audience किस तरह के content को appreciate करती है, what sort of content gets the most shares and the most engagement. उन चीज़ों को माइंड में रखते हुए आप अपना हुक बना सकते हैं. You can use that information to make sure कि आप अपने readers को from the very first glance on your content captivate कर रहे हैं because you are using exactly those points that your target audience has proven to appreciate in the past. Then the most important part of your SEO strategy should be that you should optimize your page for on-page SEO. So इसमें आपका keyword usage आता है, आपका semantic SEO भी आता है, which means कि आप अपने main keyword से similar या loosely related keywords या key phrases यूज़ कर रहे होंगे for your SEO ताकि you indicate to Google that your content is related to this niche. And you will also do internal linking for your content, which means कि आप अपनी ही वेबसाइट पे किसी और पेज का लिंक यूज़ कर रहे हैं in your article or in your content, ताकि जो भी लोग आपके पेज पे आते हैं and if they're reading your content and if they come across this link within your article and if they're interested in that link, so they will be redirected to another page on your website. That is what internal linking is, and that is very important for SEO as well because it will keep the user for a longer time period on your website, and that will tell Google that the users are actually interested in staying on your website and reading your content. So Google will pick this up as a very good signal and it will rank your website better. Then optimize for search intent. हमने search intent की बात की थी. We saw कि क्या different search intent purposes होते हैं जिससे users search करते हैं, and we saw how you can create content that matches this search intent. So make sure that your content is optimized for the exact search intent of the users that are searching for your product or your content. And then finally use a lot of infographics and images. SEO purposes के लिए जितना important आपका content है उतना ही important आपका design है, because the way that your content is displayed to your users is also very important and it will make or break your engagement and your conversions. So make sure that you don't ignore your design. You should focus on your design and you should design a very nice and coherent layout for your web page, or if you're writing EBC content for your Amazon product listing, so even for that the design will matter a lot, and the more images and infographics that you can use in your content the better it will be, because online users को infographics and images बहुत appeal करती हैं, and such visual elements have been proven to lead to higher conversions, which is the ultimate purpose of any SEO strategy. So in 7 points को mind में रखते हुए आप अपनी SEO strategy बना सकते हैं, whether you're doing it for your own website or for your Amazon product listing or whether you're doing it for your client. आपकी जो core SEO strategy होगी, if you want to make sure that that is the most effective and you want to make the most out of it, whether you're doing it for Google or for Amazon, these are the requirements that should be on your SEO strategy checklist that you should fulfill in order to make sure कि आपका content सबसे अच्छे तरीके से optimized हो and वो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा chances देता हो to rank better on Google or on Amazon. So keep this checklist in front of you whenever you're creating your SEO strategy, and then to incorporate all of these elements, use all of the SEO knowledge that we have discussed in this course.